It was raining the day I met her. Not the dramatic kind, just quiet rain, the kind that feels like a memory. And then she ran in, like the rain had sent her just for me. We talked about nothing and somehow everything. Favorite songs, silly dreams, why she loved rainy days. And just like that, the moment was ending. But she walked back, held my hand, and wrote her number like she was writing herself into my life. Now whenever it rains, I don't feel alone. Because the rain didn't just fall that day, it brought her to me.